Now let's see subtraction. 12 minus 10. 12 means 1/10 2 unit minus 1/10 0 unit. Let us subtract units first. 2 units minus 0 unit would be 2 units. Now subtract the tens. 1/10 minus 1/10 would be 0/10. That is, the answer is 2 units. So 12 minus 10 is 2 units. Now let us see how to use the table from 1 to 100 for the same subtraction. On the table, here is number 12. Now, after subtracting 10 from 12, the answer lies on the same row but in the previous column. And that number is 2. So 12 minus 10 is 2. Now you must have understood that to subtract 10 from any number means subtract or decrease 1/10. In this sum also, when 10 got subtracted from 12, then 1/10 was decreased. Let us see some more sums. 45 minus 10. Here is number 45. 45 minus 10. The answer is the number in the left column of the same row. And that is number 35. So 45 minus 10 is 35. This answer is correct because 45 minus 10 means to decrease 1/10. Instead of 4 tens, now we have 3 tens. The next sum, 26 minus 10. Here is number 26. Now, the answer for 26 minus 10 would be in the left column of the same row. So that would be 16, which means 26 minus 10 is 16. This answer is correct, as if you notice, 1/10 is subtracted from 26 or decreased from 26. Now the next sum, 67 minus 10. Here is number 67. Now, the answer for 67 minus 10 would be in the previous column of the same row, and that is 57. So, 67 minus 10 is 57, and that is the correct answer as 1/10 is subtracted from 67. Earlier we had 6 tens and now we have 5 tens. Now the last sum, 82 minus 10. Here is number 82. 82 minus 10 means the answer is in the previous column of the same row. And that's correct, 72. So children, 82 minus 10 is 72. Why? Because earlier we had 8 tens, now we have 7 tens, which means 1/10 is subtracted from 82. Alright? Addition by increasing in tens and subtraction by taking away tens. Look at this addition. Now in the first sum we have 23 plus 10. Children, 23 means 2 tens and 3 units plus 1/10 and 0 unit. First we'll add the units. 3 units plus 0 unit is 3 units. And 2 tens plus 1/10 is 3 tens. So, it is 3 tens 3 units, which is 33. Now you must have understood that after adding 23 plus 10, in the answer, 1/10 is increased. In short, adding 10 means to add 1/10. Now let us see how to do the same addition with the help of the table. This is the table from 1 to 100. Here is the number 23. The answer of the sum 23 plus 10 is in the same row of the next column. That is here. And it is 33, which is same as the answer of addition which we did earlier. Did you notice that? So after adding 10 in any number, The answer is the number in the next column of the same row of the table 1 to 100. Now let's see one more sum. Now add 54 plus 10. In the table, 54 is here. In the right side column of the same row, the number is 64. You know what it means? It means 54 plus 10 is 64. That is 54 plus 10 means 110 is added. First there were 5 tens, now it becomes 6 tens, which is 64. Let us see the next sum, 16 plus 10. Here is number 16. Now 10 has to be added to 16. So let us see the number in the next column, the column exactly towards the right of 16 and in the same row. The number is 26. So 16 plus 10 is 26, which means in 16 plus 10, 110 is added. First there was 110 and one more 10 when got added, and then it became 2 tens. 46 plus 10. In the table of 1 to 100, here is 46. Now, the number in the next right column of the same row is 56. So 46 plus 10 is 56. That is, 46 plus 10 means 110 is added. First there were 4 tens and now we have 5 tens. 6 plus 10. Here is number 6. Now let us see the number in the next column towards the right in the same row. The number is 16, which means 6 plus 10 is 16 and 6 plus 10 means 110 is added. Now first there was no 10 and now we have added 110 to it. Now the last sum is 42 plus 10. Here is number 42. Let us check out the number in the next column towards the right of the same row. That is 52. So 42 plus 10 means 52. 42 plus 10 means 110 is added. So first there were 4 tens and now we have 5 tens.